Welcome back to Cleanastic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to start a fire pit with sticks. So here are the materials that you need. You need a few different pieces of stick. You can cut them up in different sizes. You're going to need some small sticks for kindling. You can also use like the newspaper, hay, tree bark for the tinder, for the base of it. And you're basically going to need a fire starter or a lighter or anything that can get the fire going. It's not necessary to have a fire starter if you don't have one. And then you're just going to need several sizes of sticks to get your fire started. Now, here we go. Everything you need. Newspaper, sticks, different sizes of sticks. You know, let's get right into building the actual fire. So the method we're going to be using is going to be called the cabin log style. So you're going to start up with the two wood pieces here. You're going to get, so you're going to start here. Then you want to start here. You also want to start filling in the middle with kindling or tinder pieces. So I'm going to have some hay here. Put some hay in there. Okay. Also gonna put some newspaper in there, then I'm gonna build it up. Okay. Put some tree bark in there. We're trying to build some coals for it. It's gonna all turn to a nice coal. Okay. Now we can put some tinder on top. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to start building the formation of the cabin log style. So as you're gonna see, you're gonna go crisscross. Okay. And you can build this up as high as you want. But make sure your fire pit cage can go over it. Alright. I'm gonna go crossways. Now we're gonna go another side. Well, I'm gonna take it another way. Okay, so this is the cabin log style. Okay, you're gonna take it like this on top. All right. So there you have it, your cabin log style fire pit. Now you're gonna light it. I like to light it from the base to give it a strong fire start. Okay. You can light it on different sides if you want to. That's how you light a fire pit with sticks. Please like and subscribe for more content.